Hey guys, welcome back to Queen of Quirk. Today is Monday and it is currently 5 to 4 and all I can be doing is organising my room. It's been a pretty exciting day. We are back to the original poster setup. I realised how much I still like Five Sauce and I thought I'd give them another chance because of their new album Youngblood. I am listening to it non-stop. But also don't worry, Fall Out Boy are still with us. Look at them in the corner there. I thought they fit really perfectly in that corner. I think that looks good. Yeah.
Megan and Wes.
Oh! What? I guess because they're actually official though.
Decided to
leave. They're gonna say. At least we can skip the ads. Skip.
Decided to take this ultimate test and we'll be splitting up.
Oh my god!
That's daft.
Reactions?
If you love each other, you want to be with each other, why would you stay and be split when you could go home?
Stay there as long as she just loyal! Very loyal! Tuesday has been off to a brilliant start because I just woke up and Evelyn and Lauren have informed me that they got early tickets like 3 days before they were meant to go on sale. Early tickets to 21 Pilots in March and I am buzzing. If you watch my reaction video, you'll know I'm a big fan and I watched them in concert in like 2015 and they were just so good, so I just can't wait to see them again. Do you ever look in the mirror, this kind of mirror behind you, and think, wow, that's what I look like from behind? I think I'm gonna get this top and these trousers, not necessarily worn together. I mainly aren't shopping for Zambia, but I quite like this top anyway, so I'm gonna try that. And the trousers, I'm pretty sure, are pretty good for the old Africa trip. I'm getting these jeans. Oh my god, that was tiring. About to paint my nails with this Kiko nail polish and I'm currently watching a bit of Love Island. That's out of focus. There we go. I have to organise my bathroom now and honestly, I love organising. I don't know about you, but I think it's very therapeutic. And it also means I can just spend all my time listening to Hamilton. What's really exciting though is that after my leaving cert, my mum and dad surprised me with tickets to see Hamilton in New York, so make sure you're subscribed to see my vlog from that. Later that day, after a bit of organising, I started to get ready to go out to this pub quiz and bingo thing with my friends Anna, Rachel, Sarah and Joshua, and it was great fun, I must say. The most intense bingo game. I got the Scissor Sister, I was really proud of that one. Today's Thursday and I'm going to the hairdressers to fix my hair. Very excited about this. So mixed. Back at home now and I just had a lovely salad from Mixed. Really recommend that place. It's in Bray and I am back from the hairdresser as well and got the hair redone. It's looking a bit more toned down and like my roots are just a lot better. It's later in the day now and I'm getting ready for an event and it is Stacey Marie's collaboration with Be Perfect and she's releasing this palette called Carnival and it looks like a really cool palette and I've been invited. There's going to be a demonstration and you'll see later on in the video what that's like. This eye makeup look is pretty much like what I did for my graduation. So if you never saw that Get Ready With Me, make sure to check it out.
There's 26 shades, there's only 6 that are colour, the rest are all neutral. So if you took those brights out and looked at it, it's actually a neutral palette.
The palette here. I love the colours, chant, meaning, wifey, push. Also, it's not what I expected. On the back it's more brown, so, and then, yeah, loving the palette so far. And this is the point where my vlogging just went downhill. I just got so busy I hardly took out my camera, but when I did I captured some nice moments, but Friday was a bit boring. I was mainly for that day just packing and organising for Zambia and doing little jobs, so nothing really much to film again. I'm doing a week of my life. So on Saturday I went to the cinema to see Mamma Mia 2 with Lauren, Evelyn, Lily and Sarah. And after that I went into town with Sarah and we stayed the night and had some pizza, took some Polaroid pictures along with Rachel, Claire and Anna, and it was great fun. And the next morning we went to a place called Annie's. We were there for breakfast early on. Now welcome to the Dart. I want to show Claire how awkward it is to vlog in public. Isn't this extremely awkward?
That, like,
are you now?
Honestly, like, you do you, Jane, okay? If this is what you're into, you do this. I don't care how embarrassing it is. I think it's unreal that you're doing what you want to do. So, as far as I'm concerned, do it all you want. Do it in the middle of the town. I'm all about it.
That was really motivational. Thank you very much, Claire.
Mass, so this is me.
We'll go to 6 p.m. So.